What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. As for today's vlog, aku akan buat some photo shoot with video. At the same time, aku akan buat like short and simple review about this particular car. Okay guys, stay tuned cause kereta kali ni memang cun gila, retro, clean as fuck, you know. And maybe korang dah boleh take a guess kot because aku ada post dekat IG aku. Without further ado, jom kita check out kereta tu, okay? Peace. We made it to the place. So right now video tengah take some shots. Look at that, E36 green color, perfect gila guys. And one interesting fact okay guys, this is not the real M3, this is the converted M3. The owner himself memang fully convert M3. Check this out, with the GT wing, the diffuser, look at that, exhaust. Okay, aku suka gila rim dia. With the fitment, even the body kit owner dia dah memang fully convert. Check this out, the side mirror. Tengok colour dia guys, boleh nampak the metallic. Not sure the camera boleh capture ke tak, but memang ada pop up clean gila. And ada some yellow lights. Okay, and as you guys can see, semua carbon. Alright guys, jom kita tengok the interior. Lawa gila guys. Oh my god. As you can see, even the leather cun gila with the 3 logo, M logo. Then dia dah tukar all the parts into carbon fiber. Then with the steering momo, look at that, lawa gila guys. Even the meter pun dah M3. See, M3. Even the carpet, pedal dia dah tukar to AC Snizer. And this is it, one of the cleanest E36 in Malaysia. No time for the dots, no time for the box. She gon' get a nut, off white on my top, play J Rolly watch, Supreme on my locks, 350s when I walk. I stick to the plot, no time for the dots, no time for the box. She gon' get a nut, off white on my top, play J Rolly watch, Supreme on my locks, 350s when I walk. Slop on my knob, like corn on the cut. Alright guys, check this out. As you can see, the intake can end, and the engine super clean. And maybe Fido boleh cerita sikit kot and a little bit about this car.
Based on owner punya list, it's a M50 3 liter inline 6. Kalau based on spec sheets, it's a M3 punya engine. US spec
US spec this one.
It's a US spec. Originally ada 300 horsepower. Tak tahu sekarang spec dia macam mana. Intake, maybe some internal parts maybe ada owner tukar. Link dengan 5 speed manual. The short shifter, tak sure clutch apa, tapi clutch dia memang ringan lah. And short shifter dia kalau tengok pun memang throw dia very short gila, just tolak sikit je. Based on driving feel even standard pun macam dia punya power dia very linear lah. Dia punya acceleration dia very smooth, tak payah downshift ke apa untuk nak dapat torque dia. It's a NA engine, so dia tak ada lag, tak ada apa, tak ada macam lambat respond langsung.
So we are talking about 90s punya kereta guys, but the owner memang, you know, completely restore the car. Memang superb Shout out to the owner. Aku akan letak the IG username kat description, okay? You guys can check out. Alright guys, kat sini ada GTR. Look at that. Okay, let's go. Kita dengar the sound of this car. Nice. Memang klasik gila. With the sound pun deep. And maybe I heard lah Fido cakap the owner akan tukar the full exhaust system Fido soon.
Tukar full exhaust system, but still uncertain yet lah.
Yes.
By now pun kira sound dia pun just nice lah.
Betul.
Dia tak bising dalam cabin, dia tak drowning bunyi sangat. And bila ref pun boleh dengar lah dia punya sound pun
yes.
just nice lah.
Just nice kan.
Next morning.
Good morning guys. Basically this morning kita ada breakfast gathering. As you guys can see from the last video, the fitment kereta Azim, tengok dia dah low kan kereta dia guys. Just installed H&R Sport Spring, looking good. Bagi kita boleh tengok dia dah upgrade is the OLED GTS punya lampu. Kedat memang seksi gila. Morning guys. So basically right now kita tengah tunggu the other members untuk on the way. So hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog. Tekan the subscribe button. Peace. Alright guys, we made it. Look at that. Those M4. Okay, dia ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 M4 and obviously the E36 M3. Ni group yang the last video lah. Then we got this M4 Yellow Hornet. We got this Sakir Orange, if I'm not mistaken lah colour dia. Memang lawa gila guys colour ni. With the competition rim. Marina Blue M4 with the HRE rim. Check out the fitment, memang lawa gila. Pop out the hood. Inventory, carbon juga cover dia. With the red cap, a proper setup lah. The grey M4. Look at that. What a lineup.
The benefits is by design now. Everything I want is mine now. Everything I want is mine now. Everything I want is mine now. The benefits is by design now. Everything I want is mine.
Alright guys, just a quick meet up. So it's about time to roll out. Check this out guys. So actually Zici baru dapat 2 hari, baru je beli. And still lot of work to do lah. As you can see, the paint, then some few things lah Zici ada plan kan. But check this out though, aku suka gila. All bergol. Okay Ci, sekali Ci. It's not just like normal 318, but jom check out dia punya engine guys. It is RB20 though. What the fuck.
Benefits is by design now. Everything I want is mine now. Everything I want is mine now. Everything I want is mine.